When typing in a document, Word automatically counts words in the background. However, sometimes the word count is not visible right away. This usually happens when the option is not enabled on the status bar at the bottom of the window. To display it, navigate to the status bar and right-click anywhere along it. A pop-up menu appears with several options. Select Word Count, then click back into the document's main work area. The total number of words in the document should now be visible on the status bar at all times. If you want to view more detailed information, click directly on the word count number shown on the status bar. This opens the Word Count dialog box, which provides additional statistics beyond just the total words. Here you can see details such as the number of pages, paragraphs, lines, and characters, both with and without spaces. Word also allows you to count only specific parts of a document. If you want to know the word count of a single paragraph or sentence, simply select that section. As soon as the text is highlighted, the number displayed on the status bar updates to reflect only the selected content. This is especially useful when working with sections that have individual length limits. If you need to count words in multiple separate areas that are not next to each other, hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard while selecting each section. Word will combine the selected areas and show the total word count for all highlighted text together. Another reliable way to check word count is through the Review tab. Navigate to the Review tab at the top of the document, then locate the proofing group. Select Word Count, and the Word Count dialog box opens again, displaying the same detailed statistics. At the bottom of this window, you can also choose to include text found in text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes by checking the appropriate option. The last and easiest way to check the word count is by using a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and G at the same time, and the Word Count dialog box appears instantly. Using these methods ensures you always have accurate word count information available while working. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like.